Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about pop-up banners. Now you've seen the price points from here to here, right? Everywhere in between. Well, I want to tell you about the one that we offer. And what makes this one important. So first of all, you'll see it's a pretty good design. We find this to last, right? So the mechanicals last. The other part about this is the interchangeability. So you don't buy these things just one time, and when they're done and used, they're used up. No. This particular one, we're able to take the graphic and we're able to print new graphics and install them back in the mechanics. What makes it that important is if you've got cheap mechanic, if you've got a cheap thing there, you pull this thing up and down a couple times, the spring bust, what a piece of junk. Well, this unit, quality mechanicals, good interchangeable graphics. Yes, the initial spend is a little bit more than those cheapo models. It's a unit you're going to use for years and years and years. Steele Creek Printing and Design, more than a printing company.